Hello guys, I found a very good investment platform. I brought over 100 people to join my team, and now all of them have joined this platform. The platform is very safe and trustworthy. Every withdrawals of our money arrives in time, and our recharge is also made us all a lot of money. I invested 60 on the platform of the first time. I earned $600 in 15 days. I invested $15,000 again. Now I am level 2. Everyone is welcome in investment with me. Guys, first create a username, and second type create a password, and third confirm your password and invite code is then okay, and enter your mobile number, your country and verification code, then type. Guys, my account is login here and login successfully. I invested $600 on the platform of the first time. I earned $600 in 15 days. I invested $5,000 again. Now I am level 2. This is my account balance. This is my account balance. Now my account has a total $8,965. Commission plus team commission, I can earn $1,500 a day. Welcome everyone to join my team. I will take you to make money together. I will show you a screenshot of my deposit and withdrawals. Everyone welcome to invest with me. So guys, deposit is recharge is I will show you the deposit here, how it is. I deposit and you can too. You have click on the deposit option and put TRC 20 USDT next, and put on $300, and you have to give the copy address and go to your Trust Wallet app. Go to your trust site type which will make your deposit successfully, and you have to enter $300 and click on continue. That your deposit will be successfully. Can see my balance here, which was and that $8,965. Click here at level 1 so that you have click on the grade automatic grade it, so that you have to complete the good commission order. You can get good commissions. You have to complete 35 grades here, so that you can get full commission. Very good. Then click automatic grade. Guys, has to complete 35 grades on one by one. Enter here. And one by one on 35 grades complete. click then Y1Y. Guys, my commission check to $57 and available balance $9,000 and order complete. You can see my orders are about to be completed here, so that I will get full commission on $100. Guys, can you see you complete my 35 order due to which I have earned $100 of dollars commission. You can check my available balance. So guys click on the my and click on the withdrawal method, confirm password and guys यहाँ पर cancel. Guys account Alphaz mobile number withdrawal method checked withdrawal method and guys click add withdrawal method and enter your real name and enter your email address and enter your mobile number, your country and address, home address and a type USDT, TRC20 and ERC20 and your withdrawal password and submit. So from here your withdrawal will be successfully and check your personal information, order record and not pending, complete, checked, complete, checked, cancelled, not cancelled and check account details and withdrawal method deposit. Guys check my team commission and Sam withdrawal and commission and John Wetton, Victoria Miyazaki Commission and Travis Commission, Shahir Khan Commission, QE Atharward Commission. Check my team reports, team balance and team cash flow, team deposit, team withdrawal, team commission. Check my withdrawal proof, confirmed. Check announcement, welcome to Daiso, invite valid users to deposit. You can get 255 USDT reward and friend invitation. Then click and copy your friend invitation. Help guide, rules and full details. There are Daiso users all over the world. And update check and my available balance. And check team reports and team balance, check team commission and check my withdrawal proof. Guys, check my withdrawal confirm.